Caring for your sow pig is a rewarding responsibility. Remember, a comfortable environment, proper nutrition, strategic breeding, and attentive health care are key factors for her well-being and productivity. Stay informed, seek guidance from experts, and enjoy the journey of sow pig farming. Ensure that the pen is protected from extreme weather conditions. Sows are sensitive to heat and cold, so provide adequate shade and shelter. This helps them regulate their body temperature and stay healthy. Whether you choose natural mating or artificial insemination, it's essential to follow proper procedures to increase the chances of successful breeding. Seek guidance from experts to ensure a smooth and efficient breeding process.